Hey guys, it's your girl Sumayyah. Welcome back to my channel where I changed my name so many times, but I guess now the name that I've decided to go with for my channel is Sue So Fine. I think it's pretty catchy and light on the tongue. So yeah, that's the name that I decided to go with. That's the name of this channel now, Sue So Fine. But yeah, I really wanted to make this video to kind of just check in with you guys and let you guys know what's been going on with me, because it has been a little over a month since I've recorded a video or posted a video. So yeah, this video is just kind of like me checking in with you guys and letting you guys know what's been going on with me. Now, the main reason, well, first of all, I used to tell myself that I wanted to wait until I have like the actual equipment, like an actual camera, ring light, all that to make videos and everything. But because I wanted my quality to be A1, but that never happened. But I still continued to go ahead and make content anyway because it brought me joy to be able to sit down and, you know, connect with people and just make videos that I love. But then the main reason as to why I have not been making videos recently is because I would edit my videos on a laptop that I had from my old school, and since I no longer attend that school, I had to go ahead and return that laptop to the other school, otherwise it would be considered stealing. So I went ahead and I did that, and I just felt really bad because I didn't have anything to record to like edit my videos anymore. And I told myself, okay, it's no big deal, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and get my own laptop and do all that, but I have not been able to do that. So yeah, but I still miss doing YouTube like so much. I miss you guys so much, and I miss making content and like just connecting with you guys. So I told myself, you know what, I'm still gonna try to just like edit videos on my phone. It's not gonna be as long, of course, because I don't want to have like such a huge long video for me to edit. So yeah, I'll still try to make content anyway and like post, and be active on YouTube, even if the quality isn't all that, even if it's so hard for me to edit videos. I'll still try to go ahead and do it anyway, on my phone. Right now I'm currently recording on my phone, but yeah, I was thinking, you know, I could probably just like check in with you guys as much as I can. You know, I could just do my makeup and sit down and talk to you guys and just see how you guys are doing. I also wanted to make some more videos where you guys are able to get to know me better, where I talk about like my life and where, you know, my story, where I come from and all that. But yeah, I just want to check in with you guys and let you guys know how I'm doing and see how you guys are doing as well. I know it's been a minute. This summer, or these past few months, have been kind of a roller coaster, just like a lot of ups and downs, not just for me, my personal life, you know, in the world itself. But yeah, these past few months I've learned a lot. I know everyone's been saying like the quarantine has allowed us to just sit back and like self-reflect and do all that. Obviously, I've been doing the same thing as well, just like sitting back and self-reflecting and thinking about so many different things. But yeah, these past few months have been an eye-opener for me, like really truly an eye-opener. I went through like lots of rough things, and I felt like if I were to turn to my family or like certain people that you would consider close, that they would be there for you and like help you out and be there just in general. That turned out to be false. I'm laughing, but it's not funny at all. But yeah, this summer has really just taught me to like not give a fuck. Like seriously, when I say do not give a fuck, like don't give a fuck about people's opinions or anything like that, because, you know, I used to tell myself before, like, you know, let me not say certain things and let me not do certain things because I don't want to upset some people and I don't want to offend anyone, blah blah blah. And it's just like, do these people ever think about you? You know, do they ever think, oh, you know, let me not say this because I don't want to upset so and so. I don't want, like, people, especially like family members or like older family members, they really just don't give a fuck. Like when I say don't give a fuck, they really don't. So why should you sit there and be like, let me not say this, or let me not dress a certain way, let me not act a certain way because I don't want to upset the mass, the majority. It's just like, you know, I've already been leading a life of who gives a fuck, but I know that definitely there's been certain things that I necessarily didn't do before because family. But this summer or these past few months have really taught me, like, Sue, why do you give a fuck? Like, seriously, why do you give a fuck? Because these people seriously do not give a fuck about you. Like, I'm not gonna say like completely just don't care, but when it comes to your feelings or certain things, they just really don't care. So like, why? I don't want to really like go in depth and like talk about exactly like certain things that happen. I'll probably say that for another time. But yeah, it's just, life is really funny. That's why I just say, like, you know, if you're going through certain things right now, like a lot of us are going through a lot of like self-reflection and self-realization, and I'm just gonna tell you, like, whatever it is that you're going through, or maybe dealing with, just don't give a fuck. Like, live your life. Because do you think anyone, I'm gonna give you like a little bit of gist of what I'm talking about. So I don't know if you guys are aware of this or not. Probably not, because I've never really talked about it. But I used to cover, like 2 years ago, I used to cover, like, I'm a Muslim, so like I used to cover, like, wear the hijab, right? Scarf, hijab, whatever you want to call it. And obviously that was like it was a process. But you know, where I'm at right now, I'm really like comfortable with my skin, and I'm happy with the decision I've made and all that. But it's funny because obviously some of my family members still do cover. I mean, yeah, they cover. They're Muslims, so yeah, whatever. But I went to go visit a friend of a family member, and I showed up as I am. You know, I showed up the way I normally dress on a regular basis. I tried to keep it respectful, you know, no show, no cleavage or anything like that. You know, I would still be respectful because, you know, I'm in their house and all that. I'm pretty sure people talked. Let's put it out there. I'm pretty sure people talked. I'm pretty sure people had things to say, like, look at Sumayyah, she's not covering. Okay, who gives a fuck? But the funny thing to me is, when I spoke to my aunt, who's also Muslim, she made a statement about how, when you went over to their house, did you put a scarf on? I was like, no, I did not. Like, no, why would I? And she said, well, you should. You should have. Like, you should have put a scarf on. I'm like, no, the fuck I shouldn't have. Like, this is how I look on a regular basis. This is how I dress on a regular basis. So why the fuck when I show up to you, would I say, let me cover up because I might offend someone, I might upset someone, or like to make you feel comfortable, let me make myself feel uncomfortable real quick. To make me feel uncomfortable, to make you feel comfortable, let me make myself feel uncomfortable for a few hours, just to, you know, make you feel good. Okay, do you think, let's just entertain that thought for a second. I'm like going in. Okay, let's just entertain this thought for a second. Do you think that these people said, Sumayyah no longer covers, should we also uncover to like make her feel comfortable? No, the fuck? No, they did not. So why should anyone have to tiptoe or change or alter the way they are to make anyone in their life feel comfortable? Please riddle me this. Like, people blow me sometimes. Like, it's okay to think certain things. Like, it's cool. You know, everyone has their opinions. That's your thought. But the fact that sometimes people think things and like they think it and they let it roll off of their tongue, you're wild. You're wild. Like, people need to think about certain things that they say before they actually let it come out and be spoken to another human being. I think crazy thoughts to myself. Like, I be thinking some crazy shit sometimes. But do I come out and say, I think you should do this with your life to make me feel comfortable, while making you uncomfortable at the same time? How selfish and ugly is that? It's so crazy to me. But yeah, this, to sum it all up, the biggest lesson I've learned through quarantine, through the summer, through everything, is just really to not give a fuck. Just like that. Do not give a fuck and stay prayed up. Those are two things that I live by. Do not give a fuck. People's opinions especially. And stay prayed up, because anything that you may need in life, God got you. God is by your side. He got you. If you need anything, you feel like, oh, like, you know, it's not going to happen, or I'm not going to be able to have it, guess what? God has some miracles up his sleeve, okay? And he's going to help you. He's going to be there for you. So, like, excuse me, in moments when I thought that there were certain people that I could rely on that would be there for me and that I needed X, Y, and Z, God says, sis, you don't need them. You need me. Okay? You need me. And yeah, that's it. I know I've been rambling and I've said some shit. My mind has been like all over the place. But yeah, I just want to check in again and say hi, see how you guys are doing, let you guys know how I'm doing. This has been fun, just like talking, say what's on my mind. But I think I'm gonna, you know, still try to edit videos on my phone, and not make them long as hell, because editing videos on a phone is, it's no joke. So yeah, that's been my check-in with the girl. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this video up. I may take it down like after a week or so. But yeah, I'm just here to check in, see how you guys are doing. And I hope you guys are safe, stay blessed, stay prayed up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.